Now let us do first problem of the exercise. Question number first, what is given? In triangle ABC, this angle B is 90 degrees given. Angle B is 90 degree given and measurement of this AB and BC are given. AB 24 and BC 7 centimeter given. Now we want to find sin A and cos A. And in second problem we have to find sin C and cos C. So to find this ratio, first of all we have to find the hypotenuse, and for the hypotenuse you know that angle B is 90 degree, so we have to apply the Pythagoras theorem. So if we apply Pythagoras theorem here, apply Pythagoras theorem, because this is right angle triangle. If you apply Pythagoras theorem, then this AC square, that is equal to AB square plus BC square. AB square, that is 24 square, and BC square, that is equal to 7 square. 24 square, that is equal to 576, and this is 49, that becomes 625. You know that 625 is the square root of 25. It is 25 square. So AC square equal to 25. 25 square means 625. 25 square implies AC is plus minus 25, but sides we are not taking negative, so that is 25 centimeter. In this side, hypotenuse is 25 centimeter. Now it is easy to find the sine, cos and tan, but we need only sine and cos ratio. First of all, sine of any angle, that is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. Now let us find with respect to A. Sine with respect to A, opposite side is BC. BC by hypotenuse AC. BC by AC. BC here is 7 centimeter. BC here is 7 centimeter. And AC, that is equal to 25. So 7 centimeter, 25 centimeter ratio becomes 7 by 25. Now cos, you know, cos means adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side here is AB and hypotenuse again AC. AB that is equal to 24 and it is 25. So sin A and cos A. Tan A is ratio of these two, but we don't want. So these two problems of first get complete. Now in second problem, what is they ask about the sin C and cos C. Now with respect to C, opposite side by hypotenuse, sin C means opposite side by hypotenuse. With respect to C, now opposite side is AB and hypotenuse again is AC. So opposite side is 24 by 25. Centimeter get cancelled in ratio. That is adjacent side by hypotenuse. With respect to C, this adjacent side is this BC and hypotenuse again AC, means that is equal to 7 by 20. So this is all about the sin, cos, sin A, cos A, sin C, cos C in this problem first. Now let us take second problem of this exercise. What is asking second problem? It is given that this PQR is right angle triangle. PQR is right angle triangle with angle Q 90 degree. PQR is right angle triangle. PQR is right angle triangle with angle Q 90 degree, and we want to find the tan P minus cot R. Tan P minus cot R, provided that this PQ is 12 centimeter, this PR is 13 centimeter. PR is 13 centimeter. So this is 13 centimeter side, this is 12 centimeter side. Now we want to find first of all this QR. So you know that by applying Pythagoras theorem, what this PR square, by using Pythagoras theorem, or by applying Pythagoras theorem, what this PR square, that is equal to PQ square plus QR square. But we want to find QR square, that is QR. So QR square, that is equal to hypotenuse PR square minus PQ square. Now this PR square, that is equal to 13 square, hypotenuse 13 minus 12 square. 13 square, that is equal to 169 minus 12 square, that is 144. So this implies QR square, that is equal to 25. 25 you know, that is 5 square. So QR square equal to 5 square implies QR equal to 5. So this QR, that is equal to 5. QR equal to 5. This QR equal to not only 5, it is 5 centimeter. Now first of all we have to find the tan P, and next we have to find the cot R, and next step we have to subtract tan P minus cot R, and we have to find the answer. So tan P you know, tan P that is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. P angle is there, opposite side is here QR, and adjacent side that is equal to PQ. So it is 5 by 12. Let us say equation number 1. Now with respect to this R, cot is reciprocal of this, cot means adjacent side by opposite side. But now angle now is different. With respect to R, adjacent side is 5. That is QR. And opposite side here is PQ. That is equal to 5 by 12. This is equation number 2. Now subtracting equation number 1 minus equation number 2. Equation number 2 implies tan P minus tan R, that is equal to 5 by 12 minus 5 by 12, that is equal to 5 minus 5, that is equal to 0 by 12, that is equal to 0. So tan P minus cot R, that is equal to 0 is your answer. Tan P minus cot R equal to 0. काय करायचं? Now you are able to find the ratio of sin cos, provided that the length of one sides or two sides are given and angle is given. Now in this problem number 7, what is given? Cot of angle theta. Theta is any angle instead of ABC. Say this is A, this is B, this is C. With angle B 90 degree. What is given? Cot theta. Cot theta means instead of this angle C, say it is theta. This angle C is theta. Cot you know. Cot theta. Cot you know, that is adjacent side by opposite side. Because tan opposite side by adjacent side means cot of this angle theta, cot theta, that is equal to adjacent means BC by opposite side, that is AB means this BC, that is equal to given 7 and this is 8. It is not centimeter but it is ratio 7 by 8 means this is 7 and this is 8 unit, means it is, let us say 7K and it is 8K. Now first of all, using Pythagoras theorem, because this is the right angle triangle, so using Pythagoras theorem, first of all let us find the hypotenuse. You know that this AC square that is equal to AB square plus BC square, because here angle be 90 degree. So AC square that is equal to AB square that is 8 square, and BC square that is equal to 7 square. So 64 plus 49. 64 plus 49 that is equal to say 3 and it is 113. So AC square equal to 113. 113 means AC equal to square root of 113. Square root of 113. Now using this we can find the sine and cos. Sine and cos. Sine here is sine. What we have got now? We have got this A, B, C with this angle theta, C angle theta. This is 7k, it is 8k, and it is root of 113k. This is what say we have got. We have calculated this. Now first of all, what we have to find? First of all, find sine theta, cos theta. Tan theta means 8 by 7 we have already, so we go and find the sine theta and cos theta. Sine theta that is opposite side by hypotenuse means 8 by root 113 sine theta. Cos theta that is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side by hypotenuse means 7 by root 113 second. Now let us find first 1 plus sine theta into 1 minus sine theta divided by 1 minus 1 plus cos theta and 1 minus cos theta. Now you know that it is A plus B into A minus B, that is equal to A square minus B square, and it is again A plus B, A minus B. A is 1 and B is cos theta. It is 1 minus cos square theta. So 1 minus sine square theta divided by 1 minus cos theta. 1 minus cos sine square theta, later on we get 1 minus sine square theta is cos square theta, but till we don't know, so just directly we replace this sine by this value and cos by this value. Then it is 1 minus 8 by root 113 square whole divided by 1 minus 7 by root 113 square. So it is 1 minus 8 means 64 by 113 root 113 square root 113, and it is 1 minus 49 by 113. 7 square that is 49. 7 square that is 49. So if you take LCM of numerator, that is 113, and that is 113 minus 64 divided by 113 minus 49 by 113. So this become 113 minus 64, 113 minus 64, and now if we replace this division sign by multiplication sign, then it become 113 minus 64 divided by 113 into 113 minus 49. This 113 get cancelled, and remaining you to calculate the value of 113 minus 64 and 113 minus 49. Now let us calculate 113 minus 64, that is equal to 49. So it is 49 and multiplied by 1 by 113 minus 49, that is equal to 64. So your answer is 49 by 64. So this value become 49 by 64. Now you know the cot value, cot theta, that is equal to 7 by 8. So this cot theta is equal to 7 by 8, and implies cot square theta, that is equal to 7 square by 8 square. that is equal to 49 by 64. So this value is also 49 by 64 and this value is also 49 by 64. The reason is simple. Later on you get the identity that 1 minus sin square theta is cos square theta and 1 minus cos square theta is equal to sin square theta, and cos square theta by sin square theta that is equal to cot square theta. So this value become equal to cot square theta, that is 1 plus sin theta 1 minus sin theta, this, and 1 plus cos theta 1 minus theta, that is 1 minus cos square theta, that value is 49 by 64, and cot square theta is also 49 by 64.